Woo, we are back with another one. We got a really beautiful one here. This is labeled as a calico. I mean, it is stunning. It is coming out really like yellow in this, but what I'm seeing, it is super like orange, and then there's like this pinkish blushing here. It doesn't look like it's in shed, so I don't think that pinkish blushing is from it being like in shed or anything. I think it's just a part of its pattern, but wow, this thing is absolutely amazing. I love the blushing here on the dorsal. I mean, this is a killer. Calico's a nice gene. I'm digging it. I'm digging it a lot. I like it. I like this. I like it. I've seen some Calico combos. I guess I'm just not used to seeing Calico solely as on its own. Like, so I don't feel like I've seen this before. So it's really amazing. Absolutely stunning. I really love this a lot. So yeah, I just really wanted to feature this beauty here. Wanting the color to just hold right there. Like, ah, my goodness. There it is. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful baby here. I am so in love with this thing. Anyway, again, this is a Calico Royal Python. Beautiful. Beautiful.